Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will create this 2D AutoCAD drawing step by step. This drawing is exercise 8 and I will guide you through each part to make it simple and easy to understand. Plus you can download the PDF of this drawing from the link in the description box. So let's get started. I will break down each part of this drawing so it's easy to understand for anyone, even you are a beginner, to follow along. So first of all, open AutoCAD and let's begin. Step 1. So first we need to draw the circle, center circle, this one, diameter 20. Type circle, otherwise press only C, press enter. Then click on center point, type radius as a 10. Otherwise you can activate diameter for D, enter. Press 20, enter. Step 2. Outer circle. Next we need to create the larger outer circle. Use the same circle command. Click on same center point. At this time type diameter as a 70. So C for circle. Click on same center point. D for diameter. Press 70. Hit enter. Step 3. Adding smaller circles around. So now need to add the smaller circle around the shape. These circles have a diameter 6. So we will place them at a specific point along the outer curves. Use the circle tools again and set radius 3, otherwise diameter 6. Place these circles even around the larger shape, this shape. Okay. So C for circle. Click on any point, no problem. D for diameter 6. Press hit enter. Select circle and activate command polar array. ARRAY array polar. Select on center point and put as a item numbers of item 6. Press close array. Now again create another circle on click on this smaller center point and press as a radius value 8, hit enter. Now again same as use array polar, click on center point, numbers of item 6, then close array. Now we need to create this arc as you see in this picture. So step 4, connecting with arc, otherwise circle as a tangent circle. To create this curved connection between each smaller circle, we will use circle command as a tangent circle, creating smooth curves that goes around the drawing. Do this all slides. So now C for circle, TTR enter, first point, second point and put as a value 20, hit enter. Select this circle, use as same as previous one, array polar, press enter, select on center point, numbers of item 6 and close array. Now we need to select this outer circle and right click, just hide these circles. So right click, isolate and hide object. Now we need to trim these extra parts. So TR double enter and click just like this. Now again trim inner part of these circles. TR double enter, click, just if you want to just click on this circle, this one is just trim. Okay. Now select all the circles and add more thickness. Go to properties and add thickness 0.35. Okay. Now unhide. So right click, isolate and in object isolation. Now select this circle and go to properties and add as a center line and change the color of this line as a red. Now step 5, adding dimensions. Once the shape is complete, let's add dimension to match the reference image. Use dimension tool as a measurement like 20 diameter, 6 diameter, 70 diameter, radius. Okay. So now we add DDI for diameter. Click on this first point, again is click on smaller circle and click just like. Again DRA for dimension radius for this one, for diameter this one. So DDI, enter, click on this circle, outer circles. And if you need to add dimension for this circle, so DLI, enter, first point and second point. Now your shape is complete. Be precious, check each part very carefully. Professional drawing need accuracy, so make sure each step align with given measurement. So that's all. You created exercise 8 in AutoCAD. Remember, don't forget to download PDF file in the description box for practice purposes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumb, subscribe to my channel and join for more support. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, take care.